This is one of Ancaster's most exclusive court locations, right here in the prestigious Oakhill neighborhood. This custom luxury bungalow, designed and masterfully built by Gerard Custom Homes, sits on a rare 244-foot deep property with 124 feet across the rear and over 0.6 of an acre, offering a level of craftsmanship that is truly unique. Surrounded by mature trees and lush landscaping, there are 2 separate driveways, garage parking for up to 4 vehicles, a hand-chiseled natural stone exterior, and stunning curb appeal. Every inch of this home has been thoughtfully curated. We are just steps to conservation hiking trails, all shopping amenities at the Ancaster Village, and only minutes to the renowned Hamilton Golf and Country Club. This is luxury living at its finest. Kevin here with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. Welcome to 27 Harrington Place. From the moment you enter this exquisite, transitional modern bungalow, a sense of custom craftsmanship and a meticulous attention to detail are immediately apparent. A soaring 11-foot ceiling and an open concept design create a feeling of effortless scale, while floor-to-ceiling black frame Pella windows draw the eye directly to a breathtaking view of this one-of-a-kind property. The main living area is anchored by a 42-inch Town & Country gas fireplace with striking Indiana limestone set beneath a soft tray-lit ceiling, a space thoughtfully designed for entertaining and everyday comfort, with sliding glass doors seamlessly connecting to the lanai, extending the living space to the outdoors. The kitchen is truly exceptional, custom made by Interior Works and designed entirely around a show-stopping 65-inch Cornue range. Dual islands, custom color matched with gorgeous quartz, paired with premium Thermador appliances and marble beverage fridges, creating a kitchen that is as functional as it is visually stunning. Upper level offers 2 beautifully appointed bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bathroom. The primary is a private retreat with floor-to-ceiling glass overlooking the property, a spa-inspired 5-piece ensuite with a soaker tub, glass shower, premium fixtures, and a stunning walk-in dressing room that is fit for any wardrobe. a private office with a coffered ceiling and custom built-ins, a stylish powder room, and a laundry mudroom conveniently located off of the garage complete the main level. There are built-in speakers throughout and home automation, including security, sound, and lighting. Fully finished lower level is equally impressive, offering a 9-foot ceiling and a walkout design that provides seamless access to the pool and outdoor amenities. Designed with entertaining in mind, the space features a sophisticated wet bar and lounge centered around a sleek linear fireplace and a media area with integrated surround sound. A glass-enclosed fitness studio, a 3rd bedroom with its own ensuite, and a spa-inspired bathroom with a steam shower elevate the lower level to a true extension of the home's luxury living. Outside, enjoy your own private resort featuring a lanai with automated retractable screens, a cabana with breathtaking views, a heated saltwater pool with an automatic cover, and multiple areas for lounging, dining, and entertaining. This is the kind of space that feels like a luxury getaway without leaving your home. Once again, I'm Kevin Gerard with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. If you have any questions or if you'd like to arrange a private tour, please don't hesitate to call. Thank you.